Guys, I'm so sick. I'm sorry if I sound so sick. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Hey guys, how's your day going? How's your morning going? How's your evening going? My evening is going great. So today, as you can see by the title, we are doing some life hacks. And by the way, you're probably asking, Xavier, why did you delete your video that you posted Wednesday? Well, my reason is for deleting that video is because I post on a Wednesday. Things go a little crazy. I told some of my friends, I was like, I can never post on a Wednesday because I literally get no views because I never post on a Wednesday. I never post on a Wednesday. And if you see me post on a Wednesday, it either means I have a concert or I just didn't finish editing or I didn't feel like posting. Like, that's just the outcome. And I'm sorry, guys. I promise this video is going to be on Tuesday. Most likely, if it's not, I'm sorry again. But it's probably going to be on Tuesday. I've never missed a Tuesday in forever. I've never missed a Tuesday in a long time. I mean, something's wrong with me and y'all should be like, Xavier, you're stupid, you're dumb. Why didn't you post on a Tuesday? That's what you're supposed to do. Oh well, I'm sorry. Get over it. I'll allow you to post that because it's my fault. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you share this video if you want to see more content from me. Let's get into the video. First life hack is use a tennis ball to make for a good holder of things. Slit in there and you could put your key, something in there, and then you could hold your keys on there. That's what I'm seeing on here. So that's a great life hack. I would definitely use that if I got the chance to. I definitely would. A second life hack is, you know how they have the cribs, right? You can make that out of like a desk, like have a board right here. Like, I'm seeing it right now. That looks so cool. Like, when they grow out the crib, you can just make it into like a little seat, like have a seat and another seat right there. They have like a chalk table right here. It normally is, and then you could draw on it. Like, that's cool. Third life hack for you cookers is put a wooden spoon across a boiling pot of water to keep it from boiling over. I don't think that would work for me because I don't really pay attention, track of time half the time, so if I come back, the water's probably just gonna be boiling over the spoon, so yeah. Number one for you food people, with freezing ground meat, flatten it out as much as you can to reduce thawing time. Don't know what really that means, but you heard it from me and you heard it from them, so. The next way is use a vacuum cleaner hose to create a quick ponytail. That's interesting, but you know, it works. I see this video right here and she's like sucking it in her hair and she's like, so if it works, it works. The next way is carry lotion in a contact case. Okay, interesting. That looks cool. Yeah, I guess. This is a good one. Use a highlighter to get permanent marker stains off your body. So I don't know what that really means. It says you'll probably ruin the highlighter, but if you're desperate to get a permanent marker off, this will help. After you neutralize the stain, clean it off with soap and water. Okay. The next way is, do you have no phone holder for your slide a rubber band through the air vents to slide your phone in? That's kind of ghetto. I would not do that. No. Straighteners equal collar irons. What the world? What are you doing? Like, wait. Are you kidding me? A little Miranda impression. I tried. It was really bad. And plus, I'm so sick. I'm sorry. I sound so sick. And my voice is like not cooperating today. So I'm sorry if my voice sounds like slurping. I'm so sorry. The next way, save plugs, use nails. What? Anyway, the next life hack is use a binder clip to protect head of razors. Oh, okay, I see where that's going. I don't know if you understand, but I kind of understand. Next way is use nail polish to identify different keys. That's cool. They have a yellow key and then they have yellow nail polish, and then on it, I guess they colored it or whatever. And then a green one with green nail polish. That's a great life hack. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy these little life hacks or whatever. These were very interesting, like that vacuum one. Like, who vacuums hair? Like, you already have dust in the vacuum. Like, you're gonna get it in the hair. I hope these life hacks help you guys. I don't think I'll be using many of these, but I'll try and give you an update on them, but most likely not. Enjoy this video. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to share this video if you want to see more content from me. Oh. Did y'all see? I'm not even gonna. You hear that rasp? Oh, it's going on. Crave time. So what I'm craving for is to go to the beach after my meeting at my job next Saturday, which is gonna be fun. It's gonna be like 92 degrees next Saturday, and it's not gonna rain at all. It's gonna be fully sunny, which is I'm so totally ready for. Like, you just don't know how much ready I am for this summer to come, and it is already spring, so I don't know why. Something's wrong with me. But if you do know what you're craving for at the moment, make sure you put it down in the comments so I can heart it, love it, heart, love it, and reply. That's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday. I promise. Next Tuesday. I totally promise. Love life. Bye, guys.